You joining us on Valley News Live, heading through the 10 o'clock hour of our Monday, and all of you shared so many delightful photos of the return of the sundogs. We get those ice crystals in those clouds overhead when we get this cold, and those ice crystals cause the sundogs or light pillars. You see that light sunlight shooting straight up, or halos. Halos are that circle around the sun. Thanks so much, Justin, for sharing your Bemidji sundog. And here's an example of that halo. You can see the sundog on the left and the right, and that kind of circle around the sun there as well. Beautiful photos. Thanks to all of you. First and foremost, tonight's conditions are chilly, but I don't think we're going to see temperatures fall much more. In fact, many of us will notice a rise in temperatures with a 3-degree reading. Now we've gone up over the last couple of hours, at least a couple of degrees in Fargo. Part of that's due to a south wind. South wind usually transports air from warmer latitudes up our way, but we also have an increase in clouds. That'll make a difference as well. Hutch's black line, that's the 0-degree line. So north of it, it's sub-zero. We do have a lot of snow in northwest Minnesota towards Bemidji through Polk County and Boston, right into that Grand Forks area and Larimore. But those south winds will make a difference too. But you'll be the coldest because you'll have clear skies the longest. A little bit more of a breeze there as well, keeping those wind chills between 15 and 20 below for many in northeast North Dakota, right into Lakes Country tonight. Pack that survival kit in your car. Make sure you throw some food back there, non-perishable food, just in case you get stranded by roadside, and something to stay warm. Look at a few showers of snow showing up not far from Mobridge, and those are drifting into that Ellendale area. Nothing too substantial here, but roads, highways, they're cold, and they will become slippery fairly quickly, so watch for that. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows the clouds build in. As they do, clouds radiate heat right back down to the ground, and that will keep temperatures steady to slowly warming for many of our southern and western counties. And we will even see temperatures warm by morning in our eastern counties. Now, I pause this at 3:30 in the morning or so in case you happen to be outside walking the cat on a leash. And it's going to be cold. Put some mittens on your cat, and we'll definitely stay cooler in northern portions of Minnesota. But many of us will start out warmer than we are right now. Single digits, either side of zero. Warmer to the south. Tomorrow we begin a warm up. We'll have a fair amount of cloud cover out there as we go through our day. But the afternoon will be a pinch warmer than what we saw today. In fact, there's a fair shot at some 20-degree readings for our southern counties. A snapshot at your hometown forecast shows 18 in the Oaks area, 20 for Jamestown and Langdon at 10 degrees. Thief River Falls 11, and anywhere that has a foot or more of snow can expect temperatures closer to that 10-degree mark for your afternoon. Fargo, we start out with that sunrise just before 8 o'clock. Single-digit readings, ramping it up into the mid-teens. More clouds and sunshine throughout our day, the way it looks for most of it. Maybe a little bit of late clearing. Temperatures staying near 10 degrees for the evening, so not a big swing in temperatures from the morning to the afternoon. Another look at a sundog here as the train rolls on. We definitely have some beautiful conditions here with a very bright rendition of the sun on both the left and right side. If I move my big skull out of the way so you can see it. Here's a look at what's going on. Wednesday, can't rule out a flurry, but nothing substantial. Breezy and 25. We warm it even more. Thursday looks to be the pick day of the work week. Some of you with no snow or little snow on the ground will see 40 degrees. A little cool down for Friday and into Saturday. After that, a very mild day. And again, a few in our southern and western counties could see 40 degrees. All in all, that's not too bad. We will not get rid of our snow here in Fargo or the Northern Valley, but that's not bad either. We're getting temperatures that will help set up ice. I know there's a lot eager to not only use the sleds, but get out and do a little ice fishing. Always check for safety on that as well.
My kids keep asking, is it frozen yet? I'm like, we don't ice fish. We don't do anything on the ice, but they're excited.
If they want to know, we'll keep them informed.
All right, thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
Online dating has scammers conning people out of money and causing emotional damage. Next, the FBI tells us how to detect fraudsters.